Hey, in this video editing tutorial, I will show you how to quickly render videos in Premiere Pro. To get started, I have a couple of clips on my timeline that aren't playing back smoothly, hence the red bar above them. To fix this, you can render out the clip by selecting it and pressing the Enter key on the keyboard. Depending on what is on the clip, you might have to leave the clip rendering for a while, but often it shouldn't take too long. Once complete, this will now allow for the video to play back smoothly. If using the Enter key doesn't work, then you can also select your clip and go up to Sequence at the top and click on Render Selection. This again will take a little time to process, but once complete, this will allow for the video to play back smoothly. Now, if you're wanting to render all your clips on the timeline at once, then if you go back up to Sequence and select Render In to Out, this will take a little bit more time than the individual clip. But once this is finished, all your clips will play back smoothly and have a green bar above them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.